Hello, I'm Jenny Honican, Agency Consultant with Kite Technology Group, and I'm here for the next installment of Consulting Corner. Continuing our spring cleaning series, today I'm going to talk to you about cleaning up your client accounts. Many times, agencies allow the last policy to cancel, but leave the account set as an active client. If you've seen many of our videos or webinars, you know that data integrity is my passion. You really want your account to reflect reality so that anyone that looks at your database can tell at a glance what the status is. This is also going to help you with reports. Yes, you're probably smart enough to find a way to list only active clients using a book of business report, but why make it harder than it needs to be? If you keep your accounts and data clean, then everyone can trust the reports. The last thing you want to do is import a dirty client list into a marketing program and send emails to old clients. The first item to address is, how are we going to identify these active accounts with no active policies? Out of the box, the client list report doesn't offer much help, neither does the book of business. However, if you use the client list report, I'm going to show you how to get additional criteria to help you. So from the reports area of Epic, we're going to go to the account, and then we're going to copy the client list over to my reports. We go over to my reports, and we're going to find the client list that we just copied and open it up, double click or click the pencil. And as you see, we have no criteria that are going to help us. So we're looking for insured clients, and we want active accounts, and we want to find those active accounts that don't have any active policies. So the way you do that is you add a criteria. You just click this plus sign up here and open up the folder for client list and additional related items. And then if you see, here's this criteria condition of policy. So we're just going to push that over to the right and click finish. And when that comes up, you see that you have all of these options here. So what we're going to do for our purposes is we're going to look for clients with no current renewed policy. So again, you want insured, active, and no current or renewed policies. And then you're able to run your report. So you can see from this return that I've got several accounts that need to be cleaned up. If you wanted to get really fancy, you could put the account manager as a field here and then separate it out to give to everyone to clean their own, because many hands make light work. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to actually inactivate the account. From the locate screen, we're just going to copy and paste the lookup code. And before you inactivate, you just want to go in and make sure that everything looks all right. Make sure that you didn't have a policy that just wasn't renewed, things like that. I'm going to look at all of my policies here just to double check. This is someone that actually never had an account on or a policy on there. So I would actually recommend that they be changed to a prospect. You can either go to the account detail screen and actions, change client type, change them to a prospect here, or back on your locate screen, you can do it from here as well. And remember, you can always right click to get your same options. I'm going to locate someone else on this list. When I go to the policy screen, the current renewed was blank. So I'm going to switch to all except marketed and just see when that last policy was expired. Remember, you can sort by your columns. This one hasn't been around since 2021. You might want to take a quick look on the traveler's website and see if they still have an active policy. But if not, then let's go ahead and inactivate them. So again, you can go back to the account detailed screen, or if you want to save a click, just go back to your account locate and then inactivate client. The pop-up box is going to come, and here are all your reasons. These reasons actually can be configured. So if you have other reasons that you'd like to add, you can go to configure and to the account inactivation reasons. And here you can reword or add different reasons. But we're just going to pick that we lost them by broker of record letter. And now we get a warning that they're unable to inactivate because we have open receivables on this account. We also have in process or submitted service summary items existing on this account. Also, if you have open activities, you will get this error message as well, and you need to go in and it will not inactivate the account. So you need to go back in and kind of clean up what the problem is. Let's try one more. Let's go back and see if we can inactivate this one. And there you don't see any kind of acknowledgement from Epic, but it has been inactivated. This is the only acknowledgement that you'll have. The account status will show as inactive there. So that's how to clean up accounts that are showing as active but don't have any active policies. When you first run this report, you're more than likely going to have a large report, several pages. It's just a good data cleaning project that you can do. Once you get the data cleaned, I recommend that you just run it once a month, just so that you know what you're getting. Another option too is to write into your workflows when that last policy is canceled to go ahead and inactivate the account. If you think you're going to have open receivables, or if there's going to be, there's more than likely going to be a premium audit, you have a claim that's still open, then you can create just a special activity code. A lot of agencies use INAC just to set it out 30 days, 60 days, 90 days to remind you to close out that account. It's also a good practice if you want to quote this client in the future to put in an X-date activity for the next renewal date. Be sure to visit us on the web at kitetechgroup.com. We offer Epic migration assistance, Epic optimization, and accounting services, including outsourced bookkeeping. Thanks, and have a great day.